Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another video. Today I'm just gonna do a quick little makeup tutorial, just like a everyday quick look to just throw on, because I'm probably about to work on taking some pictures, doing some TikToks and some stuff. So I'm gonna just do a basic look. Excuse my dog breathing, he was just barking because my sister came here. But anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing I use is this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Looks like this, and it's in the color Sheer. I love this. It gives me a really nice finish. And next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. The shade is 356. Okay, and after my foundation, I go in with my Morphe eyebrow pencil and fill my brows a little bit. Alright, and then next I take this angled brush. It's I got it from Morphe, and this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I love this stuff. Alright, and then after I do that, I just get my beauty blender again and kind of go under it to blend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to take the same concealer and highlight the spots I want to highlight.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
Okay, and then when I am done blending this out, I take my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder and I just lightly put it on my face. And I even like to go over the concealer under my eyebrow. Okay, and now for eyeshadow. So lately I've just been putting kind of like this orangey red color. Was this Jamila from Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, you can't.
Alright, and that's all I do for the shadow. I think it's just a good little neutral look. Just one shade. Blend it over your eyelid. Oh my gosh. Blend it over your crease and then put some on your eyelid. So next I'm going to contour. I use this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. It is low-key hard because I'm looking at the camera and I like look over to the mirror sometimes, but where I have my light at is covering my camera, my mirror, so I'm trying to just look in the mirror. Wait, I'm trying to look in the camera. Y'all disregard me. Now for blush, I use Bella by Juvia's Place. That looks really red. We're gonna roll with it. Now for highlight. I usually like to use just any golden highlight. but this one I've been using for a while now. It is BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray palette, and I just use this shade. Y'all, I've had this for a while because I'm obsessed with it, and it looks a little crunchy, so yeah. And then I like to go in with this little small brush into the highlight and highlight my inner corners just a little bit, and also my brow bone. And then I'm done with like all the face stuff, I guess. So I go ahead and spray some e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Okay, and then I go in with my eyeliner in this line. And I see I left some fingerprints, so I'm gonna just do that. Okay. And now for my eyeliner, I just use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. For my lips, I just use this brown pencil line. And then I just apply a mascara. I don't really use any special brand because I use eyelashes anyway. So I just go over my lashes a little bit. I just feel like it helps your eyelashes stick to the lashes a little better, I guess. And I like to do my bottom lashes as well. Okay, and then I apply my eyelashes. And then I just spray a little bit more setting spray. And that's it. It's a quick little, pretty, natural little beat. And if you notice, all the products I use are drugstore or cheap. Don't think you have to buy NARS and MAC and all that stuff. This works just as good, trust me. Yeah. But that is all. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.